Hi guys! So I'm going to be doing a tutorial video today on how to create a specific type of resource. You guys did a poll yesterday that was super close, so I may still do something on covers on another tutorial Tuesday. But for today, I'm going to be showing you a quick video on how to create a basic graphic organizer. And I'm going to be showing you a few tips and tricks along the way that I use in PowerPoint. So stay tuned for some fun stuff. All right, so all I've done so far is I opened up PowerPoint and I want to first change my slide size, but I want to get rid of these text boxes that are on here. So to do that quickly, I just hit Control A and I hit delete and it gets rid of whatever's on my page. Now I'm going to go to design and select my slide size and I go to custom slide size. And I'm going to change this to a standard 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. If you wanted this to be landscape, then you would do 11 up here and then 8.5 down here. And then I click OK. This doesn't matter because there's nothing on my page right now. And now I have my standard page size. Since I'm creating a basic graphic organizer, I first want to insert a text box so that I have a place for my students to write their name and date. So in here, I'm just going to write name. Oops, I had my caps locks on. And I make that fun line in there for them to write their name. I hit tab twice and then I write date. And I put the line in there. To make the line, you hit shift and you use the little button that's next to the 0, and that's going to create your line. But I don't like this font. I'm going to choose one of my KG fonts. KG is one of my favorite font creators. So let's just choose one here. Let's choose this one. Most fonts that you do download, though, are going to create these dashed lines when you make a line. So I always go back and I choose the very first font that's up there and it changes it back so that the line's not dashed. And you may have to just reformat a little bit, delete some stuff to make sure that it fits. Oh, I also like these grid lines that are here, or guidelines rather. So that'll help me figure out if my lines, things that I put in my graphic organizer or any resource, are even. So to find that, you go to View and you click on Guides. If you wanted grid lines, you could do that as well, but that's a little bit too much for me. So I just keep the guides on there just so I can keep my stuff organized and nice and neat. All right, so now I'm going to go back to Insert. And I need another text box for the title of my graphic organizer. And one of the different things that I do here, I don't know if everybody does this, but in order for me to know that this is directly centered on the page, I make my text box the entire width of my page, and then I click on the center alignment, and then I place my words in there. So I'm just going to write show your work, because it's a graphic organizer where students are going to show their work. And then I'm going to go to another font that I like. Let's choose another KG font here. Let's see. Let's choose this one so that it's nice and big. And I'm going to choose 40 font size, but you can obviously choose whatever you want for your size of your font and the fonts that you like. So now I have my basic format here and I'm going to insert a table. I'm going to make a 3x4 table for my graphic organizer. And inside this table, obviously we don't like the way that looks. So when I click inside, I'm going to hit Control A and it'll select everything inside of my table. I go to shadings, no fill, but I do want borders. So when I click on borders, I'm going to click on all. And then the good thing about PowerPoint is you can drag stuff anywhere you want on the page. So I'm dragging it up to the corner and I'm going to stretch it down. So now that makes all my boxes the same size. I still want to be in my box though, and I'm going to hit Control A again, and I'm going to go back home. I want to change this font to the font that I had, but you can change it up, of course, to whatever font you want. I want to make sure that my alignment is to the left. I want to make sure that it's bold, and I want to make sure that my writing is in black. Now I'm going to type in my numbers. So I type in 1. To easily get to the next box, I just hit tab, and now I'm just going to type my numbers in. So every time I type a number in, I'm just hitting tab to go to the next box. And oops, we don't want 19, we want 10 there, 11, and 12. So that's it. Now I have my basic graphic organizer. My last step is I'm going to save this as a PDF. So I'll go to File, Save As, save it as a PDF document, and then it'll be done. And that's my quick Tuesday tutorial today. If you'd like to grab this for free in my TPT store, you can do that. I will link it in my profile. So check it out if you want to see what the final result looked like. And if you have any questions, you can always ask. I look forward to hearing from you. All right, everyone, happy Tuesday. Bye.